Hello and welcome to another update video about DOT. Yeah, quick update about Polkadot. It seems to me that we are still likely in this last wave up here in this wave 5. At least we haven't got a break below the trend line that I shared with you in yesterday's video. The idea is that we are either already in a process where a wave 5 completed, yeah, of wave 1. So basically that this overall correction, 5-wave move impulse is complete and that we can watch for a wave 2 pullback. That's technically possible, but I haven't got any evidence for it. So as I said, minimum expectations are fulfilled, but as long as the trend line is holding, we will focus on higher. That's all we can do when we have an Elliott Wave count complete, and also when, with regards to Fibonacci extension levels, minimum expectations are fulfilled, we can be watching for a pullback, but have to say that as long as certain levels are holding, we can still focus on higher. So I would take the break of the trend line as a very first suggestion that this 5-wave move to the upside is already complete. That would be in the white wave count, in which already minimum expectations are fulfilled. It's a question of how we interpret it. In the primary wave count, which is yellow, we should get another extension higher into the area to $5, $5.55. I took you through the count yesterday. Really, the idea is that we are here, that we completed a 4th wave on the 31st of October, and that in the yellow count, we're currently moving in a diagonal pattern. So in the 5th wave, is a diagonal that wave 1 completed, wave 2 completed, wave 3 completed, wave 4 completed. We could now be in the last wave up in wave 5, which could take us, to $5 plus, but 5.25 and 5.55 are the next key levels to watch. Again, in the alternative wave count, which is basically part of the same scenario, it's just a different micro count. We can count this move up as complete, and we would just have a different way of counting that 5th wave. And it would be off the wave 4 low here that was made on the 31st of October. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a very much extended wave 5. Do I believe it? No, it doesn't really look right in terms of proportions. But of course, I have to point out that it's technically possible that we start the decline from here. Just not the most likely scenario. Also because we haven't quite reached the $5.2 level. I mean, we have reached the $5, okay, $5.01, but we haven't reached $5.2. So anyway, it's basically reached target, the 61.8 extension here, but it would still be ideal to see it go a little higher. And I have to expect that as long as we are constrained by this trend channel and the price is nicely moving along with the trend. And if we see a break below the trend line, then the first or the next thing I'd be watching for would be a break below that previous swing low at $4.73. And then I will add a support box, a support zone to the chart for a potential wave 2 pullback. That could then send us higher in a 3rd wave rally next. And only when I have wave 1 complete and wave 2, I can give you a target for wave 3. But ultimately, the next really, really important level to watch on the journey to the upside will be the $7.80 level. And what you also need to understand, when I give you the support box, if we break below support, that would indicate that completely new bear market lows are coming. Yeah, that's my update about DOT. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.